Hello, my name is Sławka Giscarso, and I will be reading When He Comes Home from Work. His home is no longer his. When he comes home from work, his home is no longer his. His wife sits on the debris, crying dust. Behind her, bulldozers dig out their dreams. He tries to shout, but only rubbles come out of his mouth. He punches the air till his children hug his knees. He looks at them and swallows a roar demanding justice. In front of them, bulldozers, and a crisscross of rifles, their bayonets piercing their ill-placed hopes. Behind, prefab walls and roofs, new windows, new doors, and a family that looks much like their own, but not enough.